সহিংসাং ভগিন্নন্তু জনয়মা স্কলিং বামহস্ত ধৃত পন্থং তৈল ভক্তঞ্জনম প্রভম. If we discuss that Kali Purush, the Kali Purush is famous in this world. When we discuss about the world and when we discuss about the Yug, the name is Kali Yug. This Yug's name is Kali Yug. In this world, there are 4 Yugs: Satya Yug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, and Kali Yug. This is Kali Yug, Kali Yug, Kali Yug. This Kali Yug comes from his name, from the Kali Purush name. And if we saw that Kali Purush take his upasto with his left hand, all time. When we saw him, he touched, the Kali Purush touches upasto by his left hand. He is so bad. The Kali Purush is so bad.